You know, it's been a while. We're going on an adventure today. We're going to be headed down to Halethorpe, Maryland. I'm going to be visiting the Maryland Mini Bike Club. They're doing a drag swap meet show today, and I got all the mini bikes loaded up into the Toyota. So we're going to head down there and try and sell some parts and maybe do some drag racing and show people Jake and just have a lot of fun today. El Jefe is on the way with a pretty big surprise on the Jake project. I'm going to fill you in on that a little bit later. But let's go ahead and hit the road and head on down to this thing. It's going to be a great day. We out here. This is pretty cool. These are some cool people. I like this. There's a whole bunch of really fast mini bikes here.
There you go, Jake. Walmart. Look a little different. Everything's different. Thank you, Jake. That's real shit. It's like a little.
Thing's a beast.
Thank you.
Beast. What a crazy day. Those guys are awesome. I have always wanted to go to one of those ride outs. They have ride outs and events all year long down in Maryland, down in Baltimore, and I just haven't gotten around to it until now. And definitely looking forward to riding with those guys some more. Absolutely wild. Some of those bikes are crazy. They're so heavily modified and they're super fast. But I didn't film a lot towards the end because unfortunately the local Smokies showed up and they weren't too happy with what we were doing, so they chased us out of there. It was kind of interesting. He said that if we had been in the street and had been riding, they wouldn't have done anything because they can't chase. And I find that fascinating, but because we were on private property, they didn't want us there. So nobody got in trouble. They just told us to leave. So everybody packed up. They headed to another spot. I actually ended up cruising back to Pennsylvania just because it's Sunday and want to spend some time with my family. But anyways, that's going to do it for this episode. I'm going to touch base on Jake in the next episode. So if you're looking for a Jake update, I'm sorry, it's not going to be today. There's going to be a big reveal. The project is finally moving forward as far as the EV conversion. So definitely make sure you subscribe or at least check out the next video. But anyways, thanks for watching.